Some things to take into consideration like all along here as well. One thing that I would actually map out is the fact that we're almost back at these previous high points, right? That's a zone like right there, which technically was hit like last week. So this could be like that bearish formation that normally forms after it actually hits a major high, right? That pullback, that exhaustion, all that is pretty much forming a possible break of support on that lower time frame. So could we see like, you know, a continuation push so the market can actually make one more nice pull before it actually does drop? Let's see what happens. But like where it is now, like it still has a little bit more bullish momentum left inside of it before it's damn near winded. I wouldn't commit to any kind of trade like right now until I see a break of the MAs on H4. But let's see how it looks on H1. It's already below. So technically it's on like that last breath, it seems like, right? Because it's trying to push down, but it's trying to like, you know, maintain that last level of support before it pretty much just like dies over and then, you know, continues where the most of this momentum was going on the H1 time frame. So watch this closely. If this actually starts to maintain that bearish push on that H1 time frame, knowing that it's starting to actually break levels of support, I'll be the cause as to why it's starting to actually create that breaks on the H4 time frame. So it's one of those things, again, like it's right at that cusp of just shifting. You know what I'm saying? You have that bearish pressure on the H1, bullish pressure on that last level of support on H4, you know, something to actually pay attention to. Like, I don't think that, you know, this is meant for the week as far as taking in entries around this area. I'll definitely wait until, you know, you have a bit more volume on like the H1, H4 around like London session, if anything, or even like a mid London session, just to make sure that you're flowing right and then you don't get stuck in the consolidation, because these areas here could be that starting of that consolidation before it actually breaks out again and maintain whatever direction it's trying to actually do. But there's, you know, two sides of the story when it comes to like possibilities inside this area.